I'm Mike DeJory. I'm the President and CEO of MDC Solutions. I currently manage the VTC data center. Catholic Health contracted my company to design, build, and manage this in 2009. What most impresses me about the Paramount Enclosure systems is its user friendliness. It's an important piece of working in a cabinet. You have to have it easy to work in environments so the guys that are working in them are not physically fighting the cabinet. It says it just takes longer, it adds cost and time, and introduces risk into the data center. And you have to eliminate the risk. The Paramount Enclosure was ideal for our co-location facility because of the customization that Eaton was able to allow us to do. We bill customers separately for their power, so we needed a utility grade, power quality, EPDU power strip. And Eaton was one that offered it in a small form factor with the attributes that we were looking for. The color-coded different phasing structure, locking receptacles, breaker distribution inside the PDU. Eaton offered all that with a cost-effective solution. That's why we went with the Eaton product.
Some of the key features of the Paramount rack, especially for multi-tenant data centers and VTC, is the way that we can move air throughout the system and also the cable management systems. One of the unique things about Eaton Corporation is they do have an end-to-end solution for customers. Even if it's just an end user or a multi-tenant data center. When you can have a company like Eaton supply products from distribution all the way to the rack space is very key for a client like VTC. They have one person to contact for the full solution.
Paramount Enclosure offers the ability to easily route cables through the enclosure with built-in cable management. It also allows the ability to route large amounts of cable through the top through a generous opening in the top of the enclosure. He also had two vendors that he wanted to incorporate with our Paramount. One being Digitus Biometrics, which is an electronic lock, and we were able to work with Digitus to make sure that the lock was compatible with our door. And we even factory installed it to make the installation point much easier for the customer. We also worked with OptiCool Technologies on their cool door solution, their refrigerated rear door. We were able to work with them to ensure the compatibility of their rear door with our Paramount frame.
I'm Mark Allen. I'm with PCI. PCI is an IT services company headquartered in Western New York. One of the things that the Eaton product set brings to the table is its uniqueness. Its color, the fact that it's bright and is very classy looking type equipment, number one. Number two, it's easier for our guys to work in because it's spacious, and the bright color actually makes it easier to operate in. The organization of the way that it's laid out is excellent, with the PDUs attached to it and the way the PDUs are able to access it. I would absolutely recommend Eaton products to our clients. In fact, I do today, primarily because of the quality that's there, the flexibility that we get inside of the product, and the actual security of the devices themselves.
The first thing that comes to mind when I think of Eaton as being a partner is the quality of people, the honesty, the caring that they bring to the table each and every time we have a discussion. They want us to be successful just as much as we do. They're out there helping us sell, they're out there promoting what we have here, and it's a true partnership. From their support in deploying their systems in our data center to helping sell our data center, recommending our data center to customers outside of here, it works hand in hand. So it's been a great relationship, and I look forward to the future with these guys.